Hello everyone, welcome back to Ecom DevX. In this video, we are covering how to set up payment method in Shopify so you can start accepting payment methods securely. We'll also show you how to test your setup using Shopify bogus gateway. Let's dive in. From your Shopify dashboard, go to settings, then click on payment. This is your central hub for managing all payment methods. Now let's talk about the testing. Shopify provides a bogus gateway for simulating transaction without using real money. To activate it, go to settings, then payment, and click in the alternative payment method section. Search for the bogus gateway and activate it. With the bogus gateway active, you can place test order to ensure your checkout process works smoothly. You can use the following test data during checkout. For successful transaction, enter 1 as a credit card number. For failed transaction, you can enter 2. For error, you can enter 3. Once your tests are completed, remember to deactivate the bogus gateway and enable the real provider to avoid confusions. If you are eligible, Shopify payment is the easiest way to accept payments. Click Active Shopify Payment, enter business detail like banking information, and you are ready to accept the credit card. Apple Pay and Google Pay can also be activated. PayPal is included by default in Shopify. To activate it, click Edit next to PayPal. Log into your PayPal account and connect it to your store. Simple and straightforward. If Shopify payment is an option for you, you can add a third-party providers. Click Choose Third-Party Provider. Select one from the Shopify list like Stripe and Authorize.net and following their integration setup. If you want to add offline payment methods like cash on delivery and bank transfer, click Add Manual Payment Method, name the method and provide clear instruction for your customer to follow. After configuring your payment methods, it's essential to test them on live. Place a small order using real payment details to confirm everything works as expected. That's it. Your Shopify store is now set up to accept payment securely. In the next video, we will explore how to customize your store navigation for better user experience. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification. See you next time.